Hello, superstars, millionaires, investors in the diaspora, and professionals here in Nigeria to pay honor. And also, you get to see what we're doing. Right now, we are building our bungalows. You get to see how work has been going on so far. And for our bungalow, we are selling for 50 million with a payments plan, right? Of course. Just 20 million down payment, and you can spread it for the next 6 months. By the next, let's say 3 months to 6 months, we are done with the bungalow, and we might have brought our transformer and do some roads and the pitch, the recreational centers here. So it's a work in progress, and we're just 4 months old, and you can see what we have achieved. And enough of the long talk, let's dive in. Okay, let's go. That's the Enugu Expressway. Let me zoom it so you see it. So you might be wondering, was this gate, right? So this place has a C of O, and to access the whole area, you need to go through this first gate for you to be able to access Shiloh Gardens. We also have another access road from this other side, coming from just directly opposite Elim. Yeah, so you can see this one has a gatehouse as well. Yeah, so you can see we made some drainage here, because here you have a seasonal river that always crosses here. That's why we do this drainage. So from here moving forward is Hosanna Estate, so you get to see what we're doing here. You can see we've done our perimeter fencing. So this is the other road I told you that leads directly to Elim Estate. You can see this is another estate here. So you can see development is just here. Amazing, right? Perfect. So let me walk you to our gatehouse. So these are the part of the things we do to bring you the best real estate investment deals in Enugu. So when we tell you to pay 5%, 10% for commission for agency, it shouldn't be so hard for you to do, right? It shouldn't be so hard for you, Well, what can I say? So all this place, this one is another estate, yeah, but they're not developing. You can see that they're not doing much, but you can see from here we've done our perimeter fencing. This is the gatehouse, very beautiful, down to where our plot stopped. So this is the gatehouse, and I'm happy that it is what it is. So when we tell you to pay 16,250,000 naira, we meant what we're saying. This is the gatehouse, very beautiful. You see the one for the cars and the one for the people walking. So part of the infrastructures that will be here, we'll have a 5-a-side pitch here. Yeah, this is the bungalow I told you that we are building. You can see we have done the roof. We are trying to speed up the process because many have paid outright, so we want to finish up for them, and some are paying through installmental. And this is the only place you can buy bungalow for 50 million naira right now in Enugu with a payment plan of 6 months. So all these things is our estate, and let's take a look at the features you're going to have. So it's a 3-bedroom bungalow, and this is what it's going to look like exactly. You can see spacious living room, spacious bedrooms, all rooms and suites, dining, fully fitted kitchen, POP, and all that. So you see, so let's just walk inside so you get to see what we're doing. For people who are interested in the bungalow, it's quite high, but this is it. I like that it's high. There's gonna be a step here. Even if you're gonna feel here, you're gonna feel it to a place that you will now flush it down to the road, because there will be a drainage here. This is a road coming from the gate, so there will be a drainage here. So stepping in, you see your visitor's toilet, yeah. Then you see the parlor. So this is the parlor. You can see spacious. You can see this window. So you can see the roof. So this is for your kitchen. You can see the sit out for the kitchen. You can see a little space we have here. Yeah, so for kitchen, yeah, probably the kitchen store. Yeah, this is the lobby. So there you go. This is the room 1. Let's see how spacious it is. So this will be your bathroom, your jacuzzi, and possibly here will be for the wardrobe. So room 1, this is the room 2. You can see we've done the plastering for the wardrobes. Then you can see the WC is very spacious. Then for the last room, this is the room for the wardrobe. We are doing plastering already, so you get to see. So this is it. So you see, we've checked it out. Let's go and see how. So this is more like an ante-room. You can see, you step in, you see the ante-room. There'll be a door here leading to the rooms, then leading to the parlor, and the one for visitors. Yeah, what the fuck? So all this place will be your compound. All this will be your compound. Yeah. So I think the compound will end somewhere here. You can see that pool. Somewhere here. Then this is for your septic tank. Sockaway and septic tank. So you have all this space. You can see here you can park up to 1. Let's say you're parking like this. 1, 2, 3, 4 cars. Then this will be like the side of the compound. Because this one is facing front, this one is facing this other side. So this will be like the backyard. So there'll be a fence here. So this will be like the backyard. There'll be a fence here demarcating these two. Yeah. So this is it, guys. So this is it, guys. You can see that I do a cool man. AI cool kind of man. I am going to now. Buy and build. You can see for yourself. The pause I na rokweba. In the web I name foundation. So if you need to go pipe. Or I naturally sources Ogawa. So with 50 million naira, you get go bungalow. Then with 20 million down payment, if you need 20 million, spread the alligator for the next 6 months. Let's say in a road, then you was one now queer. While you be check in so I am fence now the whole estate, so you don't have anything to worry about. It's fully secured, and with this dual carriageway going to Suka, plus the landmark coming to Nikki Lake, is exceptional. You man ever got Saroko and Saroko or how many go to Reakita? I'm always going to be a good here. So I remain the best real estate investment coach, the best real estate investment manager right here in Enugu State. Okay, see you on the other side. Call me with the number on the screen or somewhere in the description to get started. Okay, see ya.